You have here the best site for riders right now is the Shepherd Glass.
Yes. Kaya po nakilala ang mga pahina talaga. Kasi hindi pa nagpahin technical naman. Sunod na.
So, ng tanap more listener.
Meron pa tayong riders of course.
So, we have Adele, Pia, Salinas, and
But I think they're gonna let her finish. Kasi she's just treading slowly, but I think she's still in the course. If she wasn't 80%, picking up 80% here. Konti na lang guys! Mabilis na to! Mabilis-bilis na itong class category natin. Hindi na natin sila
laps. I think here there's 7 laps. On paper it's 7 laps, but this is gonna take faster, quicker than the women elite for sure.
Very much more aggressive. This one. Pinaka. The drivers tayo kasama din dito. We got a lot of private teams and national teams coming up in play in the call box right now. Commissars are apparently checking their attendance. So men elite, please proceed to the call box now. We are looking at 43 riders for Alright, Adele is now crossing the rocky section towards the finish line.
It is currently 5th place. Yeah, that's Kuntanan Pokwa. And we set it up for the
I see the number is approaching the start line. We're about to start moving up.
Our men are already in the call box.
Ito cheer natin si Adele.
Oh, give it up for Adele, Pia Servias.
Yay!
Wow. Smile.
Tumawa siya. Yes, nice. Good job. Very proud of Ellen, Lisa Romero. We have one more rider of course. The box finish. This is the final match. There's 2 more.
There she is! Let's look at of Thailand! Please make some noise!
Palakpakan natin! Congratulations for finishing your
Number 161, Zulkifli from Halasan Team Malaysia. 162, Ahmad Syazid Amakina from Halasan Team Malaysia. Muhammad Syawal Masrin from Halasan Team Malaysia. James Brown de la Cruz, Coco Gold Forty. Mark Noel Valderrama, National Champion, Coco Gold Forty. Dave Emmanuel Montemayor from the Philippines. Adrian Nacario, goal, Turkey. Jericho Rivera, Turkey national team. Wachak Naktongkam, Thailand national team. Dave Roa, goal, Turkey. Fonsi Sengkong from Thailand national team. Wakong Mausuk, from Thailand national team. Rexar Sajajida, from Team CSSC. Under Del Mer, from goal, Turkey.
181.
Ian Tarapan, from Turkey. Thailand, goal, Turkey.
183.
Yuta Matsumoto from Team TCS. And Ferjan Gomez from Philippine national team. Nash Joshua Lin from Coach D mountain bike team.
188.
Marvin Dave Serino.
188.
Ryan Nangaran from Coach D MPD. Chison De La Peña. Raymond Jotapo Jr. Florence Benedict Hermosillas. Chopel Cadenas. Sam Justin Laaga. Ken Cordero Cuomo. Friends Christian Carrillo from Coach D MPD. Ken Henry Abay. Edmar Joseph Mostar. Richard Rivera. Ricardo.
Make sure you can see the riders. Yeah, the riders is the most important. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, men elite. So this is the final event for the first Asian Mountain Bike Championship for 2024. 10 ranking for UCI World Ranking. Okay, so that means this is also a good time to win your nation ranking. Okay, for Malaysia, which is already a qualification for the 2028 Olympics. Yeah, so we start early. All right, so apart from getting your own UCI world ranking, also for the nation ranking for Olympic qualification. So thank you all for your support, and for the men elite, it's going to be a very tough 7 laps. Yeah, 7 laps. There is 2 feeding and technical zone to assist you if you have any mechanical, or you wanna have your drinks or food. Also, we are going to implement the 80% pull out. Any rider being pulled out at the 80% will still get your ranking. If you decide to exit or pull yourself out outside the 80%, you will be given a DNF, or do not finish. Right? So, all the best, and everybody is looking at you. You are on live streaming, so always remember to smile. And gentlemen, it's 1 minute to start.
Spectators, please clap your hands for our riders. Thank you. That's a very demure and very gentle reminder.
All right, gentlemen, 30 seconds to start.
The tape is off. Good luck, ride safe. This is for your country.
Gentlemen, you will start in the next 14 seconds anytime. Sige na. No one is moving. Okay.
The men elite winners in the first ever ASEAN Cycling Federation. Important to really separate yourself.
Philippine national team rider in the lead. We got EJ Flores taking the current lead.
Okay, EJ Flores, is he gonna... Okay! That's what I was saying. This is the opportunity to separate yourself. Okay!
Wow, look at that!
Sa bottleneck. Look at them! Look at them!
The first one to get back on their bike. Grabe.
So this is important. When you separate yourself from the pack, you create a few seconds of separation. It's gonna spell.
Yuta, get your off bike also.
Was that Yuta?
Yes.
It's Yuta! Yuta Matsumoto!
Good luck, Team Japan Asia, TCS Union Racing. Thank you so much. Palakpakan natin si Mr. Dato Amarjit Singh. Thank you so much, Mr. Amarjit. You're so happy to and yung lemon natin, niya, at with the locals.
Ay, siyempre. Ay, paano ba tira?
What is your favorite drink?
Mugo, mugo.
What is your favorite drink? Bro, what is your favorite energy drink?
Yakult. One. Readers.
Si Ayan.
Where are you from, bro?
Philippines.
Where?
Philippines.
Philippines. What's your favorite energy drink? What keeps you going whenever you go biking long distance?
Booster C.
Thirsty. Thank you.
Awang Tulaen, Adrian Lacario. So far, it's been good. We have several members from the Philippines, two from Malaysia, two from Thailand. Very close, it's really close.
Where from, guys?
From Kalinog.
Alinog.
Yeah.
What's your favorite energy drink?
Energy drink.
What keeps you going during the race?
Skip Red Horse. Charot. Joke lang.
Thank you.
Lahat doon.
Tulad ka lang, Ban! Tulad, Ban! On the spot mo na! Yung ay, Ban! Tara, balik to! Tama lang, gaw doon ang taban! Tara, lagi, Ban!
This time, the second rider.
Bro, where you from, bro?
Bago City.
Bago City. Did you join the race?
No, bro.
What's your favorite energy drink?
Energy drink mo, no?
Gatorade, bro. Coffee. Black coffee.
Okay, here comes. Not yet.
Let's just take this opportunity to thank the City LG, headed by attorney Stephen A. Palmares, CPA, or City Mayor, or Vice Mayor Honorable Elizabeth Chavez, and members. We have Honorable Mario Hidalgo III, Bonifacio Montero, Paul Gerard Panes, Renz Carlo Palma, Philip Palomo, Ramon Andre Martin, Jody.
Robot na Pinas!
National champion is leading right now, followed by Thailand.
Para sa panglimasa, pan. Pang... Paano sa? Para na sa pang... Go, Yota! Yota! Yota!
Oh, no. It's Nakario. Nakario is in second position. Ako ay long good.
Go, Japan, go!
And now, our national champion, Lowell, coming up in
Valderrama.
May tulo na,
Hindi ba lasang katulo kayo? Mag-bike.
What is your favorite energy drink? Booster. What about coconut juice? Coconut juice is rich in electrolytes too, right? Thank you. What is your favorite energy drink?
Hindi ako
mga parisbog dali na lisbot mo kumas.
What is your favorite energy drink, guys?
Wow, LMB ah.
What is your favorite energy drink?
Ano ba? Ano ba? Sukari.
Bukari?
Pukari.
Bukari.
Eh naman, sir.
What about you, bro?
Pukari. Let's go.
What about you?
Brum brum. Go bro. Bomber. That's from Thailand.
Thank you. What is your favorite energy drink?
Pukari.
What about you, bro? What keeps you going during biking long distances?
Ano ba?
What keeps you going during biking long distances?
Jackal.
Other questions?
Yes.
Welash, malapit lang, malapit! Malapit!
Go Japan, go! What's your favorite energy drink, guys? Your favorite energy drink?
Booster C. Booster C. Cobra Skin.
And they're all ready to score.
But for sure, we have two right now. From the Philippines, one from Thailand, one from Malaysia, and another from the top five so far.
Rodol, korpo!
Still together.
Kailan, sa likod!
What does that?
Wow! He was not a starter, yeah.
Overtakes the line. Usually people think about overtaking downhill. But tonight, ayan. I wish we could see who it is.
What is your favorite energy drink, guys?
Booster.
Mr. C, other drinks?
Mountain Dew.
Thank you.
Alright, we'll let her run her with jumper. Joshua Hill. Joshua Hill from Coach Tank. This one, followed by the runner from Thailand. Alright!
What is your favorite energy drink? Booster C. What else?
And followed by
What happened to Jericho? Oh, going down a little right there. I think we got mechanical problem.
Where are you from, bro? What country?
Tebrado.
What's your country?
Tebrado.
Where are you from? What is your favorite energy drink, bro?
Energy drink. Is Red Horse.
Red Horse. What else?
Wala na, sir.
Thank you. What is your favorite energy drink?
Boosters.
Mr. C. What else? What?
Wala na.
Just it. Just that. Okay. What is your favorite energy drink?
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. What else? What else? Coke. Thank you.
Dutch Mill.
What is your favorite energy drink, ma'am? You don't drink anything?
Ano, Beroka.
Beroka. Where are you from?
Antipolo.
Antipolo. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Well,
What is your,
entering.
what is your favorite energy drink, bro?
Con Adrian
Hey, what else?
Natalio.
Huh? What
We have
else?
James Carl De La Cruz.
It's good.
Okay.
Ahmad. Make some noise for our riders coming through. From the
Cheer, cheer,
Philippines,
cheer.
Marco Well Valderrama. We have Pon Siri Mongkon.
And Adrian, again.
Adrian Nacario still in the mix right there. 164. That's James Carl De La Cruz. And then your Ahmad Awang Ila and Dave Montemayor. Familiar name.
He's currently recovering from injury.
Okay.
So he did race recently, but only on the local races. He could have been a really good contender sa XCE.
Okay.
Nag-silver siya sa XCE, Continental Championships. So, has a lot of
So this is
showings.
372 right now. That's Nash Lim. And then rider number 180, that's Rexar Nervida.
3 laps
So
to go.
basically, it's still the same names. Maybe the top 12, 15 riders are still in it. This is EJ Flores.
What is your favorite energy drink?
Ano na?
What is your favorite energy drink?
Ano? Booster?
Nice, EJ.
Booster. Booster C. What else? What else?
Good job. Now,
Wala
our
akong
next
kainom sa
rider is...
sting. Wala kami kainom na
Pinta rin yung break ng mga...
Booster lang ganyan.
Okay, thank you.
What courage!
What is your favorite energy drink, guys?
Red Bull.
What about you, bro? Pat?
Mountain Dew, Red Bull.
Mahirap naman yung...
Sting.
Thank you.
Ano
What is your favorite energy drink, bro?
Energy drink.
Energy drink?
Ano?
ko yung sunlight.
Gatorade.
Gatorade. Okay, what else?
Umahan.
Where from, bro?
Lambuna, Iloilo.
Thank you. Where are you from, ma'am?
I'm from Malaysia. I'm from Hila Cycling Team.
And what's your favorite energy drink?
My favorite energy drink would be, that's something that I would comfortably consume, would be 100 Plus. It's a brand in Malaysia because it doesn't give me too much gas. Yeah, and it's better than, let's say, Coke or Pepsi.
Where are you from? From Leyte? Leyte?
Tea?
Where are you from? I forgot.
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Oh, you're Malaysian.
Yeah.
So, what about your other opinions? Where are they?
My
Other Malaysians, where are they?
Oh, they're at the feeding zone. They're assisting
At the center?
Elite. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Nordina Sapia.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
I'm from Gimbal.
Where from, bro? Where from?
I'm from Gimbal, Iloilo.
Imbal. All of you. And what's your favorite energy drink?
Cobra.
What?
Cobra.
Cobra energy drink. What about you, bro?
I'm from Gimbal and the favorite drink is Booster C.
You're near Shamrock.
Yes.
What else? Your favorite?
Red Bull or Monster.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What about you guys? What's your favorite energy drink?
Ano mo masilang?
What's your favorite? Mountain Dew. And what about the others?
Cobra.
Okay. Thank you.
Paquito Estandarte. Of course, thank you so much. Tickets and gatekeepers, business permits and licenses, and Engineer Sherwin Palmares. Thank you so much for your hard work and dedication to make sure the first ASEAN Cycling Federation Mountain Bike Championship is a resounding success. We would also like to Engineer Sherwin Palmares, the City Engineering Office headed by Miss Engineer Agnes Hope, the province of Iloilo Province.
Go, Japan, go!
The Police Provincial Office headed by Police Colonel assisting the event are our friends from the Boy Scouts of the Philippines Pasig City Associates Council. And for everyone who came here, who came through, who clapped and sa Kadalagaan sining first ever ASEAN Cycling Federation Mountain Bike Commissar from India. We have Mr. Oscar Rodriguez, UCI Federation and the Secretary General of the ASEAN Cycling Federation. We have, of course, you, Camila Sumagi, Deputy Secretary General. It's been a joy partnering with you in Facebook Live. Whoa! Nice looking! Adriana Klein, he doesn't look like he's tired at all. I think he has plenty of left in the podium. Saka maganda to kasi dahil into... Ha? Ako na ha? Oh! I think, is that Mark Joel? The lead changes. Saka I think riders knowing their... From Adrian Nacario, but, okay, nanaog na? Uy! Kaya pa! Kaya pa! Kaya pa! Ano kayo mo? Okay. Oh, let's see look at that. It's still anybody's ball game. This one is Muhammad Shawal Masjid. Final lap na yung mga riders na baka.
Oh. Why? Dagas sa kalibot, una ka sa kalibot Pinoy.
Flores. They're watching Ken Abay-Abay. Sino kaya? Nakaputi kaya o naka-yellow? Si Flores. Sa final lap.
Nakaputi ka yelo. Mura kita una kita oh. Oh, dito lusoton.
Oy! Oy! It's the final curve!
Takasandan.
Okay, let's see.
Takasandan, balbalat
He's done it before. He's overtaken somebody in the ascent. Let's see what he can do right now.
So
Okay.
the
Does he have enough left in the tank, by the way? Behind him is Yuka Matsumoto. Of course, mentioning again. Everybody is standing at the stage trying to witness a minor miracle.
So guys, we have Filipino versus Thailand here. Philippines
We have to check.
So that's the last fight, guys. Last scene. The race between the Philippines and Thailand.
Oh my gosh.
Nagbahat na nga. Oo, nagbahat na oh. Gamay lang.
That's
Oo, muna siya. Pangatlo naman.
I have to be sure. It has happened to too many
Philippines came first, then Thailand, and then third Japan in this elite men category.
Yung tayo na sa nag-iipong yan, nagbayaw na ito mo. Ganito tayo pala nga, ano, gamayan na siya.
Nacario!
is not carried by... Oh, okay, it's clear. It's literally 2 to 3 inches.
Gulong sa gulong.
Gulong sa
So,
gulong.
we confirm that
Here's our fifth placer. That's the rider from Maine.
Who won the race in men's category, men's elite, bro?
So the rider that has won in the elite category is Adrian Nakayo from Go for Gold po.
So what's the second place?
From Thailand.
So Philippines, it was Philippines against Thailand,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
The Philippines won against Thailand.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. What's your name, bro?
I'm Roy Banyares from San Mateo Elite Cycling Team.
Okay, thank you, bro. So did you join the elite men's race category? What place are you? What's your rank? What's your rank?
What rank?
What place? I mean your place or rank?
No.
Don't know.
Yeah.
You're from Thailand, right? You guys from Thailand.
Yeah. Thailand.
So it was Philippines against Thailand first and second, right?
Second right, Thailand. Philippines one. Good job.
What's your name, bro?
Superbet.
What about him?
Thailand team.
Thailand team. So thanks for participating in this race, bro. ASEAN. ASEAN means Association of Southeast Asian Nations, right?
Yep.
And you are from Thailand, right? Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, bro. Good.
Okay.
tumakbo na po tayo.
Ikaw gitna.
Riders, please proceed to the front. Ayan. Ayan. Mas madali pag ilabas sa baba yung table. And Vice Mayor Lizard Chavez to join us upstage now para tuloy-tuloy po tayo. And Sir, yes, yung Mayor and Vice Mayor po mag-award ng special categories.
Sorry.
When we call your name, that's the time you step forward or step up to the box. Alright, ready, let's call our 5th place. The box. Ayan, now we can start. Thank you. For our 5th place, rider number 188, Elimar Jobet Buscar. Next up, thank you, Vice. Congratulations. Next, representing Coach the MTB team, rider number 176. For 4th place, Ryan Nangan. Congratulations. Up next, we have our 3rd place, Mr. Galguis Ricardo Jr. Romero. Coming up in 2nd place, taking the silver from Coach the MTB team, Luigi Mamburan.
unveiling of the champion in the 19 to 29 category is Mayor Lian De Buque of Anilao, as well as Vice Mayor Mr. Chavez are members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod.
Congratulations now for the photo ops.
Pwede hanggat di mo pinapagaling.
Okay.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you very much to our officials and our riders. Please exit on the other side. Please exit on the other side. Thank you. Okay, now let's call on our second category, the special category for 30 to 39. Coming up in third place, representing Exo Cyclist, Mr. June Simpas. Coming up in second place, taking the silver, Sharon Gomez de los Santos.
From Team Aklan.
Champion for special category 30 to 39, Mr. Jigo Mendoza of Go for Gold, Philippines. And Mayor Stephen Palmares will give the awards. Alright, join us for a quick photo up, and then we'll move forward quickly to the next one. Mayors and vice mayor channels. Okay, next up we have the special category 40 and up. Sa kabila po. Sir. Sa kabila. Alright, for our fifth placer for the special category 40 and up, Mr. Harold Sumbi. Up next, taking fourth place, Mr. Alan Gomilia. Coming up for third place, we got Gandhi and Rina. Akyat po sa boxer. Second place, representing TGC Credit Corporation, Robert Contreras. And our champion for the special category 40 and up, Mr. Eusebio Quinones.
Coach Quinones.
Alright, quick follow-ups, and we move on to our next categories. Last two before The sun says, see you later. Thank you very much to our delegates and our guests. Other side, sir. Other side. Thank you. Next category, we have the Cross Country Olympics Women Elite. Diyan na po yung champion jersey, no? Okay. Alright, let's call on our 5th place representing LLMV, Adelpia Cendrias. Coming up in 4th place, representing the Thailand national team, Subokson Anuntana. Congratulations. Coming up in 3rd place, representing the Hellas cycling team of Malaysia, Nordina Safia Nur Effendi. Coming up on 2nd place, another one from Hellas cycling team Malaysia, V Kun Pan.
Trophy and cash prize is awarded by Mayor Lian De Buque of Anila.
And for our first ever ASEAN mountain bike champion for women elite from the Philippine national team, Shane Paula Yao Yao! Mayor now is awarding the first ever champion jersey.
Thank you so much. Wow.
Thank you to the ACF for providing this for our first ever ASEAN Championships. Yes, please prepare the Philippine National Anthem. Alright, and now we stand for the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiging sa sinakalan, alam ng puso sa bibig mo'y buhay. Lupang pinilang, kuyakan ang magiging, sa handutubig, di ka masisingin, sa nagatang tulong sa simoy at sa langit ang bangaw, ay hinatang kilala, isang pagkayang minamahal, ang isang lagaw at tuloy na tunay na nagigingin, ang inuwi na taraw niya, kailan ang hindi magigingin, luman ang araw kang walang ipagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya dapat ay magkakit, at mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Palakpak naman natin ang first Filipino ASEAN mountain bike champion. So, quick photo up with our delegates, and then we move to our final category. And winners, please remain after this so we can have a group photo with our first XCO men and women elite winners in history for the ASEAN Mountain Bike Championships. Thank you so much. Palakpak po tayo ulit, and we may exit on the other side of each. Please remain with us in the back for a group photo with also the men winners. Alright. Okay? We can now call on the winners for our men elite. Alright, now let's call on our 5th place, representing the Hellas cycling team of Malaysia, Awang Ila Ahmad Yazarin. Congratulations. And now coming up for 4th place, representing Go for Gold Philippines, national champion Mark Lowell Valderrama.
Let's go. Prize and the trophy is awarded by Honorable Ramon Andre Pantin.
Congratulations. Up next, we now award the 3rd place of bronze from Go for Gold Philippines, Mr. James Carl De La Cruz.
Prize and the trophy is being awarded by Vice Mayor Lizette Chavez.
And our 2nd place, taking home the silver from the Thailand national team, Fun City Sirimongkon.
The prize and the trophy is awarded by Honorable Mayor Lian Debuki of Andila.
Congratulations. And now, the most awaited champion from Iloilo, from Go for Gold Philippines. Let's go on our first ASEAN mountain bike champion for Men Elite, Adrian Nacario!
We have now represent
And he is now wearing first ever ASEAN mountain bike champion jersey in the history of the world.
parang maluwang ah.
Maluwag ka.
Parang ibibigay ni Adrian sa akin.
All right, now let's remain standing for the Philippine national anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiliw, sa sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa bibig mo'y bumay. Upang hinirang, kuyakan ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisilip, sa lahat ng tulong sa simoy at sa nalikaw pagkaw, ay tinatang tulakaw, sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang lang pagkaw, at tuloy na ay manatilitin, ang ituloy na karagya, kailan ang kanyang nakikinig, luman ang araw na buwan, bakit pansin ka, buhay natin sa piling mo, ang ligaya ng pagkay ng langit, at mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Palakpakan natin ang ating mga representatives from their respective and our first batch of winners. Let's call on our winners. After this group picture, the winners of our women elite to join us for a big photo op. And of course, we'd like to call on the commissars and the working committees to please join us for a big group picture with Mayor and all the department heads here. Wala na dito yung rules na. Christian. Lahat ng winners po, please join us upstage for a big photo op. Thank you. Sir Dance, Catalan, please join us. Ladies, please join us. Ladies, sana daw po kayo doon. The winners for Women Elite, please join the photo as well. Yes. Photo. Yeah. No. Sige, go. Engineer Sherwin Palmares to please join us to award special certificates of appreciation.
Will be awarded
They will be awarded to
certificates of the appreciation to very important people who helped make this event possible.
Mayor, please.
Okay. In behalf of Mrs. Matilde Palmares Nang and Mrs. Heidi Palmares Guerra, Engineer Sherwin Palmares will receive the certificate of appreciation.